Hello darling, how are you doing? Are you trying to lose some weight with facts? Then you are incorrect video. 5 evidence-based weight loss tips. 1. Drink water, especially before meals. It is normal asserted that drinking water can assist with weight reduction, and that is valid. Drinking water can support digestion by 24 to 30% over a time of 1 to 1.5 hours, assisting you with consuming off a couple of more calories. One examination showed that drinking a half liter, 17 ounces of water about 30 minutes before dinners assisted health food nuts with eating less calories and lose 44% more weight, contrasted with the individuals who didn't drink the water. 2. Try intermittent fasting. Irregular fasting is a famous eating design in which individuals cycle between times of fasting and eating. Momentary examinations recommend discontinuous fasting is as successful for weight reduction as consistent calorie limitation. Moreover, it might diminish the deficiency of bulk commonly connected with low-calorie eats less. Notwithstanding, greater examinations are required before any more grounded cases can be made. 3. Cut back on added sugar. Added sugar is one of the most exceedingly awful fixings in the cutting-edge diet. The vast majority burn through an excessive lot. Studies show that sugar and high fructose corn syrup utilization is firmly connected with an expanded danger of heftiness, just as conditions including type 2 diabetes and coronary illness. Assuming you need to get thinner, cut back on added sugar. Simply try to understand Marx, in light of the fact that all things considered called well-being food varieties can be stacked with sugar. 4. Use smaller plates. Utilizing more modest plates has been displayed to assist a few groups with eating less calories. Be that as it may, the plate size impact doesn't seem to influence everybody. The individuals who are overweight appear to be more influenced. 5. Keep healthy food around in case you get hungry. Keeping quality food close by can assist with keeping you from eating something unfortunate on the off chance that you become unreasonably ravenous. Tidbits that are effectively versatile and easy to plan incorporate entire organic products, nuts, child carrots, yogurt, and hard-boiled eggs. So that's it. Now you can easily include these tips to your life and lose weight. For more, like the video and comment down what type of content would you see in Chanel. Have a fit day.